here, I believe, Paulie Gee.
With the itchy nose. There you go.
And also Mike's Hot Honey. What I'd like to ask you is, how did you guys get together? How did you meet each other?
I'm going to let Mike tell that story. I tell it too often. And he has his version, and it's about time he starts telling it.
So I used to follow Slice Blog, which was a part of Serious Eats, and it was kind of the place on the internet where everybody went to share knowledge about pizza. And I had read an article about Paulie, his oven in the backyard, and that he was opening a spot in Greenpoint. And I lived in Long Island City, which is a neighborhood adjacent to Greenpoint. And so when he first opened, I went there and I sat down and had dinner, and he came by the table and we started talking about pizza, and he invited me to come in as a pizza apprentice. As you could tell, I was into making pizza.
So that really was the first time you were in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. And how did Mike's Hot Honey end up on Hellboy?
Well, he came in. His first day, he brought it with him. And I said, I got to put this on a pizza. I got to figure out which one. And we tried different things, and Mike and I both agreed that this other pie we had, the Del Boy, would be a great candidate for it. And that's what we did. And at first we didn't call it the Hellboy. I wish we did, but we had a really stupid name at first. It was the Fire Up the Del Boy. And then
Thank God we changed that name, because that might have impacted both of our lives if we had never changed that.
Yeah, no, it was a good move to change that name.
Yeah.
And we have it trademarked now. You can't make a pizza called the Hellboy without paying me big bucks.
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
Yeah, no, I trademarked that. So.
Oh, okay. So you didn't get any trouble from the original Hellboy?
No, because they're not a pizza, they're a movie. That was it.
So now you got a slice shop.
I have 2 slice shops.
You got 2 slice shops.
Well, and Derek in Chicago has one, so there's 3 Paulie Gee slice shops in total.
And so how is it going? Okay?
Yeah, well, the slice shop in Greenpoint was our savior through the pandemic. They kept up about 80% of the business we had before because the nature of it, where it was all takeout and delivery and worked well. So that really helped. Derek in Chicago just opened a place, and I just opened a place in New Orleans, and it's going to take some time, especially now in New Orleans, because it's kind of like here, very, very hot.
Yep.
And actually, it's worse because it's very, very humid. But it's the one in New Orleans is the exact same kind of place as Greenpoint. Very classic. We don't do anything over the top, other than our Hellboy.
Yep.
I mean, I like to make pies that you got 50, 60 years ago, right? They didn't have Mike's Hot Honey back then, unfortunately, but I wasn't going to let that stand in my way. Right? So a Hellboy, again, just like in our wood fireplace, is our most popular pie.
Yep, yep. And Mike's Hot Honey is doing very well. It's really taken off. People are loving it, getting a lot of legs, which is fantastic.
Yeah, I mean we still make a single product,
Same original recipe.
Same recipe
that you got from Brazil.
There's always people always ask when are you going to come out with a different flavor of infused. We came out with an extra hot. We did come out with extra hot, but we just have original and extra hot, and that's it. And there's something nice about being just narrow and going deep on one thing.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can do that when it's such a great quality.
That's right. That's a good one. I noticed you got a briefcase here. What's in this case?
You're not going to show them, are you? You show them?
It's my soul.
He keeps on saying it's going to be a mystery, and then he keeps on showing everybody.
All right. It's the heart and soul of Mike's Hot Honey. Right there. There it is. All right. Mike, how can people get Mike's Hot Honey?
You can find us in the honey aisle of your local supermarket. You can get us online at mikeshothoney.com, on Amazon. If you're looking for a store that carries it, you can go onto our website. We have a store locator. You punch in your zip code and find a local retailer. But we're in the honey aisle of most grocery stores.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
And Paulie Gee, how can people find you?
Okay.
Multiple locations.
We're in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. We're in the Hamden section of Baltimore. We're in the short north in Columbus, Ohio. And we're in Logan Square in Chicago. And then our slice shops are in Chicago is in Wicker Park. I have a slice shop in Greenpoint. And I have a slice shop in New Orleans.
Oh, fantastic. Hey, guys, thanks a lot for taking time to talk to me.
Thanks,
Albert.